Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Syawana Shamila binti Syawan Asri F1131 and I will be the first presenter for our group. We move to the first page, which is introduction for this project. Is a simple web-based file management system developed using PHP and MySQL. It allows users to perform basic file operations directly through a browser without needing access to a server's physical storage. The system is designed as a learning exercise to demonstrate core concept of file handling, directory management, and database integration in web development. So we move to the second slide, which is index. This is our main page, index.php. It serves as the portal or home page of the file management system. When users open the system, they see a clean menu with three main options. The first one is create text file. The second one is upload file, and the third one is view all files. Each option is a simple HTML link that directs the user to a dedicated PHP file. Create text file, we use create file PHP. Upload file PHP. View of files, we use file list PHP, and the design is kept simple and clean using basic HTML and internet CSS. No external libraries or frameworks. We use a light blue background with white menu cards to make it user friendly. Notice that we use index PHP, not index HTML, because even though this page doesn't process data, it's part of PHP based system and all pages should be consistent. Also, all other pages like create file PHP or upload file PHP have back to portal link that returns the user to this index PHP page, ensuring smooth navigation. So this page does not contain any PHP logic, only HTML and CSS, because its role is purely navigation, but is the first impression of our system. So we made it clean and professional. That's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my next group member.
My name is Nur Zaidan Zanish from Zaman and my metric number is F1087. So now I'm going to explain for the create part. For this part, our task was to create a simple system function by using PHP. So first, we designed the page structure, then we connected it to the database. After that, we added the logic to the handle action like inserting, updating and deleting data. Everything was done step by step supaya sistem ni dapat berjalan dengan betul. And our main purpose of this part is to show how PHP can control the backend and how the data flow from the form into the database. Through this task, we learn how to handle coding errors, how to test each function, and how to ensure the system works smoothly.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Irfan Nafisha by Nur Razlan. I'm going to explain a basic PHP file upload system. First, HTML form. The page shows a title upload existing file. It has a form with a file input and an upload button. The form uses post and type multi-part form data to allow file uploads. PHP backend. When the user clicks upload, PHP checks if a file is selected. It connects to the database. It gets the file name, size, and temporary location. If the file's folder doesn't exist, it creates one. The file is renamed with a unique ID and saved in the folder. The file info is stored in the database. A success message appears with a link to go back. User experience: if no file is selected, the browser says no file chosen. After uploading, the user sees a confirmation. This system helps user upload and save file easily. This page shows a table called Upload Files. It displays the file name, the file size, the upload date, and actions: download, edit, and delete. The table is styled using CSS, use borders and padding for clean layout. The header row has a light background. Links are blue and easy to read. This layout helps user manage upload file in a simple and organized way. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurhaliza binti Zaman F1172. So I will explain about this slide. Show how implement the delete, edit and download function using simple HTML link that connect to separate PHP file. In our file list PHP, each file row has three action button, which we have a delete, a download, edit and delete. For example, the download link how looks like. This is how the coding. For example, the download link looks like this, a ref download.php. Bila kita klik, it will send ID to download.php. Then it will get the file path from the database and trigger a download. Same like ed and delete. We add the Java script confirm bot so user don't accidentally delete file. If they click OK, the system delete the file from the folder and remove its record from database. All these functions are handled by separate PHP file, download, edit and delete.php, which keep our code clean and easy to manage. So this is the database code. We have dbconnect.php. We call encoding the db file is file manager, and then the table here have a file. So in the database we have the original name, store name, file path and file size, update date. So it will connect to the database.
So for question, why did you choose PHP for this system? We choose PHP for this system because PHP is very easy to learn, especially for beginners. PHP is widely used in web development, so ada banyak references and tutorials that can help when we get stuck. Another reason is PHP has many built-in functions for handling files and data like move uploaded file, rename and unlink, which makes our work much easier. PHP also works well with MySQL, so it is very suitable for our small-scale system. Overall, PHP is practical, simple and perfect for a project like ours.